Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide sensitive content on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Privacy and Safety. Under Your Twitter Activity section, click on Content You See. Uncheck the box next to the text that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. Now click on Search Settings. Check the box next to the text that says Hide sensitive content. That's it. Sensitive content is now hidden on your Twitter feed. This is how you can hide sensitive content on Twitter. Thank you for watching.